Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fishkeeping Jamaica. No narrations here. This is fully Raleigh speaking. Okay, so today I'm looking at the whole idea of why is it that large pet shops or LFS stores or persons in which you actually trade fish, why is it that they normally have some black plastic bags in the aquarium? Why is it that when for some pet shop, when they're selling you the fish, they're selling the fish in dark plastic bags? Plastic bag would have two different shades, half black and half clear. Okay, the simple rationale behind this. One, some fish are easily spooked, and the more the fish are spooked, is the more the fish becomes stressed. The more the fish becomes stressed, the quicker the fish die. So when you go to, well, in Jamaica you just get a clear plastic bag, right? In developed countries, or should I say like North America, America, USA, Canada, some section of Europe, when you go to the pet shop, you get a plastic bag that is made for fish. It's a little bit thicker and it has a dark section and a light section. Now this actually imitates the fish environment in the wild. As I said before, the fish is spook easy. If fish is spooky easy, if the fish is spooked too easily, very quickly, after succession, what you will find is that fish will automatically frighten, keep on getting scared until it eventually does skin over and dead, right? So what happens is that, for example, Seacrest farms, for some of the fish in which they keep, you will see them. You can go on any Seacrest tour and you will see this. You will see they have black plastic bags in some of the aquariums, and this is primarily to imitate the natural environments in which these fish are coming from. And by the way, did you know that most of the fish that you actually have in the aquarium, their water environment is not as pristine as the aquarium in which you actually have them at home? Did you know that a lot of the water is murky brown, and so in some cases very black? And this works well for the fish because the fish actually use this environment as a means of hunting. So we put in fish into this little glass box to highlight the beauty, the color, the natural thing, right? We are actually exposing the fish. It's as if you walk into a room, somebody and just you know what I mean. So let me know what you think below. Thanks for joining. Bye.
Hey Raliegh, you are forgetting an important point. That is, fish can manage the change in temperature, however they do not manage rapid change in temperature that well. With the fish bag partly dark in color, it helped to manage the temperature parameters within the bag, during the transportation of your fish. This coupled with the fact that fish poop more whenever the temperature gets warmer, suggest ammonia poisoning of fish from its own waste. Fish bags are made of transparent polyethylene plastic and should be at least 3 mm thick to withstand some abuse without leaking. Many experienced commercial shippers opt for a more expensive 4 mm plastic bag. Common pillow slip bags have a single bottom seal that creates sharp corners when filled with water. Small fish can sometimes become trapped in these corners during shipment and die. You can square up the corners by folding them up and taping them to the side of the bag. Some bags have square bottoms so that they sit flat on the bottom of the box. Square bottom bags are more expensive but have become standard in the industry because they do not trap fish in the corners and use the space in the box more fully. Bags are available in many sizes. Some are small enough to ship individual male betas. There are bag sizes designed to fit snugly in standard size shipping boxes, e.g., full bags, half bags, and quarter bags. Bags are available from several internet sources if there is no retail outlet near you. Even sturdy, 4 mm bags can be punctured during shipment, so many shippers double or even triple bag their fish to ensure that at least one bag will remain watertight. This is a good practice when shipping fish with sharp spines. Once the bags are filled with water and oxygen, or air, they need to be sealed. While you can simply twist and tie an overhand knot, The method most commonly used is rubber bands. The top of the bag is twisted and then doubled over and the rubber band wrapped tightly around the resulting loop. If rubber bands are used, they should be of a good quality that will not break when significantly stretched. Operations that ship large volumes often speed up packaging by using mechanical clamping machines that crimp a small metal clamp around the bags. So there you have it, shipping your fish in that bag. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Ari from the Jamaican.